If someone does this while driving, run. Okay, picture this. Charlie's on a first date with Alex. Things are going okay, until Alex starts driving. No turn signals, none. It's like they think their car's a superhero with mind control over other drivers. Cut to Charlie. Did you just turn without signaling? Alex smirks. Well, nobody really pays attention to those. Red flag alert. Now here's the breakdown. Red flag number 1. If they don't think turn signals matter, what else are they skipping? Basic hygiene? Emotional availability? The truth when they say, it's just a friend? Red flag number 2. That overconfidence. I don't need to signal because I'm a great driver. Yeah, that's also what raccoons tell themselves before darting into traffic. But wait, it gets worse. As Alex merges without signaling, Charlie, our cautious, lovable hero, clings to the dashboard like it's the final scene of Titanic. Cue jump cut to Charlie, imagining future scenarios. Alex forgetting birthdays. Alex skipping doctor appointments. Alex being too unique for grocery lists. Text overlay flashes. No signals. No chill. Back to reality, Alex goes, "Relax. I've never been in an accident." Cut back to Charlie, muttering under their breath, "Yet." Insert dramatic sound effect. Finally, Charlie decides to cut the date short. "You know, I think I left my microwave on." They hop out of the car like it's a rocket about to take off. Moral of the story? Sometimes red flags are as bright as brake lights. And hey, laughing about them makes modern dating survivable. So what's your biggest dating red flag? Comment below and subscribe for more chaotic adventures.